Well, hey there, everybody. I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth. Live simple.
Live free.
Welcome to our channel. Here we go. Yeah.
Wow.
We were a channel called Tiny House Prepper for a long time. And that's because we lived in 250 square feet and we really felt it was important to be ready for any kind of emergency. But now that we've moved into this little bit larger house, we've had to try to figure out what is our channel really all about.
Yeah, and we changed our name because we are no longer living tiny, so we changed our name to Live Simple, Live Free.
Which was our motto before.
Right.
Yep.
So now we are all about living a self-sufficient lifestyle.
In any way that you can.
Yep.
Yep.
So, part of that obviously is prepping, and we used to be Tiny House Prepper, so we still talk about prepping, and we've actually expanded what we're doing along those lines a little bit because now we're doing a lot of gardening.
Yep, I've been really working on us learning how to be gardeners and how to learn to can, and cooking with some of the different things that I've been gardening with, or we're showing cooking with things that we keep in storage so we're prepared for emergencies. Because you want to eat what you store and store what you eat.
Right.
Bubbling nicely.
Right. And so we also talk about things like being prepared with your water and how to filter it and those sorts of things.
Yeah.
Now, we are not living off-grid, but we are prepared to live off-grid.
Yeah, if we needed to, we could.
We have a wood stove for heat and things like that we could live very easily, completely off-grid, should the grid go down.
And we try to show things that we keep around that are things that you need to use on an everyday basis, without having things where you don't have to have electricity.
Right.
Yeah.
And we have not gotten into a whole lot of solar stuff, just a little bit, but we're mostly using mechanical items instead of electric items.
Yes.
That work without electricity, so it works well for us.
Yeah.
Now, also another part of being self-sufficient really is to be debt-free, and we talk a lot about being debt-free.
Right. And how to get there and stay there.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we did it.
It's paid for.
You don't want to be beholden to the bank or relying on the bank in any way for your daily living, for debt, and so we really stress being debt-free.
Yeah.
I also do a lot of home repairs, DIY projects, just to show that it is possible. You may not have the knowledge to build a whole new house, but we talk about a lot of different things of home repair projects in the area.
That you might be surprised what you'd be able to do for yourself. Another thing that really helps with self-sufficiency is to come up with income streams where you don't have to necessarily rely on what Bill calls a job, a job or something. And it's been very helpful to us to be able to develop our own income streams. And we try to give good ideas for how to be able to do that so that you don't have to necessarily rely on a basic job.
It's really better for self-sufficiency if you actually own your own income. So we talk some about that, and we do have a business that we're pretty successful at, and we talk about that. But also, if you have a business that you're trying to build online on social media, because of my success doing that, I can actually do things to help you know how to build your business better as well. And so if you're interested in that, we don't cover that here, but we have a sister channel called Bill Keller Online. If you want to go over there, and I do weekly trainings on how to effectively build your business on social media.
And honestly, I think the most important thing that we have in our life to give us the freedom to be at peace, to know that no matter what happens, we're going to be fine, and that is our faith. And we are not self-sufficient when it comes to how much we rely on Jesus to be there as our Lord. And so I do a Bible study on Sunday mornings called Tea with Jesus. But we want to live a self-sufficient lifestyle that's totally reliant also on the grace of God in our life. Mm-hmm. We also like to include our Maine Coon cat here, Leo, and he likes to be star of the show a lot of times. There you go. Come here.
And sometimes not. And then there are other things that we do that we just enjoy. We are both musicians.
Yeah.
And occasionally we'll do a lot of Elizabeth's actually original music that we'll do here on our channel. Yeah. And we really enjoy that.
Enjoy that a lot.
As I was walking down the street.
And we do, try to travel. We've got our wonderful old RV.
Yep.
And if we do some travels, we'll be loving taking you along. Sometimes those are DIY projects also. Yeah. So yeah, we just have wanted to give a quick overview of kind of some of the things we do on the channel. This is just a quick outline. But yeah, we love all of you, and we're so glad that you come along with us.
Yep. So there you go. Live simple, live free. Thanks for joining us. I hope you will spend some time here and get to know us a little bit. We would love that.
Yep. Well, we love you guys. Live simple.
Live free. You be blessed.
We'll see you soon.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.